Julie.
Yeah. Keep going. That's it, Julie.
Julie, you got it. Nicely done, Julie.
Good work.
This is your competition.
That's the way, Julie.
Come on, Julie.
You got it. Nice, Julie.
That's it. Come on.
Keep going, Julie.
Okay. Get
I
under
can't believe that man just picked up 700 pounds and flipped it.
Come on now.
Come on,
Come on,
Julie. Grip it.
Take a bit of a rest. Charge at her again. You got it.
I like her
Right.
pom-pom.
You
You got it, Julie.
Get it up. Come on, buddy. Hold it with your body. Get under there.
Come on, Julie.
That's
That's it. Come